Hi dear students, Santosh here and warm welcome from SK Civil Engineering Academy for the preparation of most important multiple choice questions on estimating and costing. So let us start my lecture. The first question is, an estimate is A. Cost of the structure using thumb rules. Random guess of cost of structure is the option B. Option C is probable cost arrived at before construction, and D is the actual cost of construction. Estimate means always the probable cost arrived at before construction. One must know that every estimate is the estimate. It is not an exact cost, it is the probable cost. The second one, the unit of measurement for woodwork in shutters is in square meter, whereas in door frames it is in cubic meter. Because for shutters the thickness is less, so it is measured in square meter, but for door frame the thickness is predominant. In such a cases woodwork is measured in cubic meter. The measurement is not made in square meter in case of first A. damp proof course, B. RCC chhajja, C. flooring, and D. formwork. The correct answer is RCC chhajja because measurement is not made in square meter. The quantity of cement, concrete, damp proofing course is measured in terms of. So damp proof course is measured in meter or meter square or in meter cube or lump sum. The damp proof course is always measured in meter square. So one must know that the unit of damp proof course. Then all mode of measurement for different item of work are present in IS 1200. One must know that mode of measurement, the IS 1200 is used. Which of the following is the most correct estimate? Plinth area estimate, cubic rate estimate, detailed estimate, or approximate estimate? Plinth area or cubic rate estimates and approximate estimate, all three are approximate, but the detailed estimate may be the exact one as compared to the others. Then DSR stands for demand signal repository, district schedule rate, daily sales report, and debt service ratio. It is mean by district schedule rate. DSR means DSR rates of various items of work includes the cost of material, labor, etc. with 10% of contractor's profit. This 10% is very important. Which one of the following method is used for calculating approximate estimate of hospital, school, hostel, etc.? For hospital there is a one room for a patient. For school there is a one room for the children. For hostel there is a one room for student. So service unit method is the best method because we can't go for plinth area method, we can't go for cubical content method or typical bay method also. The service unit method is used for the buildings where services are to be provided. Brick walls are measured in square meter if the thickness of wall is 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, or none of above. Square meter when thickness is 10 centimeter, because 15, not a 15, not a 20, not a none of above, but 10 centimeter is the correct answer. Which of the following data required for estimating? Specification, rates, drawings, and all are required for preparing the estimate. Which of the following method is the method of detailed estimate? Revised estimate, revised and supplementary estimate, or all of above? All of above is the correct answer. Because for revised estimate also detailed calculation are required. For supplementary estimate also detailed calculations are required. Center line method of estimation is widely or mostly used for building work, because it is not used for culvert work or a bridge work. The measurement is made in square meter in case of cement concrete in foundation, RCC structure, hollow concrete structure, or none of above. None of above is the correct answer because concrete is measured in cubic meter. The center line method is specially adopted for estimating circular building, other geometric shape building, hexagonal building, or all of the above. It is used for the building, so all of the above is the correct answer. The cost of supplementary and revised estimate is less than estimated cost, equal than estimated cost, more than estimated cost, and all of the above. The cost of supplementary and revised estimate is less than estimated cost. But I think that it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is the all of the above, because revision is required for the estimate when probable cost is less or probable cost is more. In such a cases, the D is the correct answer. For the approval of any project, a number of sanction is followed out. Which one is initially done? Administrative sanction is firstly done. But in case of DPC, that is Jilla Niyojan Samiti, or the funds are given by the District Planning Commission, in such a cases TS is given first. According to ISI method of measurement, the order is in the sequence of length, breadth or height, height, length and breadth, breadth, length and height, all of above. No, LBD or LBH, that is length, breadth and height. So one must remember LBH. The main factors to be considered while preparing a detailed estimate is quantity of material, availability of material, transportation of material, all of above. All of the above is the correct answer. In long wall, short wall method of estimation, the length of long wall is the central to central distance between the walls and half breadth of the wall on each side. That is very important, half breadth of the wall on each side. While preparing a detailed estimate, dimension should be measured correct to 0.01 meter. Area should be measured correct to 0.01 square meter, not 10.01. That is incorrect. Volume should be measured correct to 0.01 cubic meter. All of the above is the correct answer. But here there is a correction. It is 0.01 square meter. The center line method is specially adopted for estimating circular building, hexagonal building, octagonal building, as discussed earlier. All of the above is the correct answer. Then unit of measurement is in quintal for the following: collapsible gate with rails, rolling shutters, expanded metal wire netting, MS reinforcement of RCC work. So quintal, that is MS reinforcement of RCC work, not reinforced, that is reinforcement. The brick work is measured in square meter in case of honeycomb brick wall, brick flat soling, half brick wall or a partition, or all of the above. All of the above, because generally brick work is measured in cubic meter, but the small thickness of wall it is measured in square meter. Deduction rule for plastering and masonry are mentioned in IS 1200 as discussed earlier. Which of the following software is used for preparation of estimate? Microsoft Excel, Proist, Candy, all are used for preparation of estimate. In which method T junctions are considered? In long wall, short wall method, center line method, both A and B, none of above. In center line method, the T junctions are considered. Which type of estimate is prepared when additional work beyond the original project scope is required, leading to an increase in project cost? That is supplementary estimate. Which type of estimate is prepared with detailed atom-wise calculations and measurement, offering a precise breakdown of all project is? That is the detailed estimate. Which type of estimate is prepared to account for ongoing maintenance expenses? That is annual maintenance and repair, or sometimes it is called as an annual maintenance estimate. And this is enough for this lecture. So please prepare for these MCQs. Please go through each option of MCQ and then mark the correct answer or correct option. And it is enough for this lecture. Thanking you. Bye bye. See you next time.